10 years later. We definitely need an impact because this.
Explain. Yeah.
Welcome back to my channel and to another video. We're gonna jump right in today and kind of vlog. I have a lot to do at the shop and some things to take over there. Starting with these doors. I picked up some rear doors for the truck so we can sand them down and they can get painted because the ones I have are rusted through. So I did end up finding some new doors, which is a blessing because these were super hard to find. So I'm gonna load these doors up and we will get out of here. To the shop because I gotta get my wheels and tires off because my brother's gonna take my tires and swap his old tires onto my rims so he can have the tires on his truck. And yeah, we gotta go do that. So we just picked up a jack from Walmart. I should have the key. We're gonna see if this works. I don't have mine. I didn't make it to my shop, so we had to borrow one. So hopefully this works. Yeah, we're gonna do that today. We're kind of just putzing around until I can line some things up with some tools and stuff like that. So yeah, just thought I'd catch you guys up, running some errands, and we will be at the shop soon. Holy cow, that's a big ass tree. Look at that. Guys, so like I said, my brother came and took off my wheels and tires, so my truck is sitting on these jack stands for now until he brings them back. But yeah, thought I would just show you guys. He's gonna just take those tires and put them on his wheels and bring me his tires on my wheels so we can obviously get it off the jack stands and finish up. So the past couple of days I have finished sanding this Bondo off. We got it sanded down pretty good, so it should be almost ready to go. And then the other side, I think I still need to sand a little bit down on it. Most of this cab corner is good to go, sanded down, and this inside. When I placed this on here before I welded it, I did put the latch in and try to fit the door on, and it did fit. So, and it closed and everything and lined up okay. But I'm gonna do it again here in a couple of days, maybe when we get the tires and stuff back on. But I wanna make sure all of my doors line up before we take it to get painted and get it back here and literally can't put the doors on. So that is something I need to do in the next couple of days. I also got this bed unbolted and moved back a little bit so we could get behind here. It looks a little bit longer than usual. So as far as the truck goes, we did get the cab corners sanded, and next I have to work on the rear doors, which I did kind of show you guys a little bit, but I did get 2 new rear doors about a month ago, and they just have some minor fixing on the bottom, and then they just need sanded down, and those will be ready to go, but they definitely look a lot better than the old ones that we had, so that is a plus, and I didn't pay what I expected to pay, so really thankful about that. And as far as the tailgate getting painted, I think I'm gonna go with this old one. There's a couple dents in here that I'll show you guys how I'm gonna pull out, but we're gonna stick with this tailgate. I like what it looks like on the bed, and I think once we get to that point, we're gonna add a little bit of our own touch onto it, like my name or something in the back, but we'll get there when we get there. And that is about it. I do still have this fender that just needs sanded, and it's ready to go. I ordered that a couple of months ago, and this one's already painted, so we will have 2 fenders and 2 doors, tailgate, and then the cab. So we're just about at the home stretch with the paint, which is a really good thing, because after that we can basically move on to the lift, wheels and tires, which I'm super excited to show you guys. It's gonna be awesome. I cannot wait to see this truck come together, and we are getting so close. I am about to start my truck for the first time since I have been in the shop, so we have to jump it, of course. I did try to start it on its own, and it just was not having it. So we're about to hook up some jumper cables thanks to our other 6.0. Gonna save our 6.0's life. I would love to take the truck for a drive, but we did undo the bed the other day, so it's just sitting on the frame rails. So no ride today, but we're just gonna start it up and let it run for a little bit. Show her some love, you know? So we were gonna try and get the truck started, but we're still having issues. We did hook up some jumper cables, but I honestly think that the cables are just trash, and I don't feel like dealing with it today because, you know, it was kind of just for fun. And next time we're here, we'll definitely figure that out. Maybe let me know in the comments down below if you guys have an idea still. It's just like it takes so much freaking power to start. It's like the battery, and I always have to jump it, so I don't know. But we got one of the fenders off today and the plastic that goes on my windshield, so we can get that painted when we go down, and everything pretty much should be good to go except the cab lights need to come out, and that'll be it. So I just want to say thank you so much for all your support on my last video. Getting this new shop and taking this build into my own hands has been an absolute crazy journey, but guys, I'm so excited and so thankful to have you all along with me. You guys are just absolutely amazing, so thank you again. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss out, and I will see you guys next time. Bye guys.